laws of light. We are able to do it when light rays strikes on an object and gets bounces back and reaches our eyes. Today, we are going to observe some phenomena related to light. We all have mirrors at our house. When we look inside the mirror, we are able to see our image in it. This phenomena is known as reflection. So what is reflection? Reflection is a process in which light rays strikes on an surface and it bounces back. These are mostly found in mirrors. To demonstrate reflection through different mirrors, first we are taking plain mirror. Concave mirror and convex mirror. Now let's see a reflection through a plane mirror. The incident rays of light are parallel to each other. Now I am going to keep a plane mirror. The reflected rays are also parallel to each other. Next we can see the reflection through a convex mirror. If we place the mirror here, we are able to see that the reflected rays are diverging into different directions. Therefore, convex mirrors are also called as diverging mirrors. Next is the reflection through concave mirror. If you place a concave mirror, we are able to see that all the reflected rays are converging to a point. Therefore, concave mirrors are also called as converging mirrors.
Let's see another property of light called as refraction. When a light ray passes from one medium to another medium, there is a change in the direction of propagation. The bending of light at the boundary when it passes from one medium to another medium is termed as refraction. To demonstrate refraction, we are going to take a concave lens and a convex lens. To demonstrate the refraction of light through lenses, first we'll take a concave lens. By placing it, we can see that the refracted lights are diverging. So, concave lenses are also called as diverging lens. Next is refraction through convex lens. As we can see, the refracted rays are converging. So, convex lens are also called as converging lens.
Good morning all. There can't be a smoke without a fire, but there be a blood without a wound? Here, I am Adityan from 9B is going to do an interesting activity. For that, I am with my friends Harinandan and Karthikeyan for doing the experiments. Let us see what are they doing. Wow, Harinandan, how did you do that?
First we will wash syringe with the ferric chloride and then soak the cotton with potassium thiocyanate. These two compounds, when we mix these two compounds together, it will form a black red-like color. Thank you.
That was an amazing experiment. Thank you.
Thank you.
I am Abhijay from class 9C.
And I am Ashwin Sajid from 9C. I am currently in a chemistry lab. Now, when I said the word chemistry, you might think about atoms, molecules, small concept, molecular mass and atomic mass. But chemistry does not exist with just atoms and molecules. There are many different things in chemistry too. There are many different colors, different combinations and all to do with chemistry. Now, in class 7th, there was one chapter, acids, bases and salts. In this, there was an experiment where we are taking litmus paper and dipping into base and it gives us blue color. Whereas if we take the same litmus paper and dip it into the acid, it gives us red color. We are going to do same thing here, but with different chemicals.
Now I am going to do something with these and you will be noticing that thing.
How is this possible? You are adding water to empty jar and it is getting color change. How is this possible?
This is not empty jar or beaker. This is rinsed with phenolphthalein. This is rinsed with methyl orange, and this is rinsed with lead nitrate. This is rinsed with sodium hydroxide.
And what are this?
These are solutions which look like waters but are not waters. This is sodium hydroxide. This is hydrochloric acid. This is potassium iodide, and this is barium chloride.
Okay. In chemistry, there is not about atoms and molecules. There are different sides of and colorful parts too. Thank you.
Hello everybody. Today we are presenting about bioremediation. Bioremediation is a branch of biotechnology in which the living organisms are made to clean the toxins released in the industries. This is a model prepared by us. This is a industry in which the toxins are released. There are three types of bioremediation for this industry. They are phytoremediation, microbial remediation, and mycoremediation.
Phytoremediation is a plant-based approach which involves the use of plants to extract and remove eliminate pollution or lower their bioactivity. Plants have the ability to absorb ionic components in the soil even at low concentration through their root system. For example, sunflower reduces the concentration of lead and zinc from the soil.
Mycoremediation. Mycoremediation is two form of bioremediation in which fungi is used to decontaminate environment. Through this, we can remove oil, petroleum products, livestock waste, metal waste, pesticides, and other pollutants from water, soil, and other medium in an eco-friendly manner. Some fungi used mycoremediation. Fungi and compounds, also mushroom, hydrocarbons, and pesticides. White rot fungus, pesticides.
Dear friends, I think that it's a great opportunity for us to present a project about sustainable future in connection with National Science Day 2022. In this modern world, science is inevitable for human life. Also, biology is a scientific study of life and living organisms. Sustainable future is an organizing principle for meeting human development goals while also sustaining the ability of natural systems to provide natural resources and ecosystem services on which the economy and society depends. Based on this, we have created an integrated farming. Integrated farming is a purely dynamic approach which can be applied to any farming systems around the world. It is an interdependent, interrelated production system based on a few crops, animals, and related subsidiary enterprises in such a way that to maximize the utilization of nutrients and minimize the use of negative enterprises in the environment.
Rainwater harvesting is a collection and storage of rainwater that runs off from roads, parks, open grounds, rooftops, etc. This water can either be stored or recharged into the groundwater. This is rainwater harvesting. Next, we are going to the biogas plant. A biogas plant is where biogas is produced by fermenting biomass. Its uses are, it is most commonly used in rural areas. It can replace CNG for vehicles. The waste generated from the kitchen and cow dung is used to produce biogas. Mixed cropping. Mixed cropping is the growing of two or more crops of the same species simultaneously in the same field. Compost pits are one of the simplest forms of composting organic matter in our garden. It can be beneficially used to improve the quality of soil. Livestock management. Livestock management mainly involves in supervising farm workers and managing the farm animals.
Polyhouse is a structure made of glass and polyethylene. It is used to grow plants in a controlled climatic conditions. Crops can be grown throughout the year, as there is no need to wait for a particular season, as we can control the climatic conditions inside it. Pest infestation is also less occurring in this. Aquaculture is the controlled process of cultivating seafood for human consumption. It ensures food security and nutritional value as the amount of seafood available for human consumption is more.
If we are exploiting fossil fuels in a larger extent, it is depleting day by day. So in one sustainable future, we can use wind and solar energy, which are inexhaustible forms of energy with little damage to the environment. Hydroponic farming is a soil-less water-based farming operation, may even be done in tiny spaces such as balcony. We are giving nutrient-rich water as a supplement to plants. Vertical farming. Food crops can be cultivated in urban areas by planting on vertically stacked layers in order to save space and minimize water usage. Social forestry is the management and protection of forest and afforestation of barren and forest land with the purpose of helping the environment.
National Science Day is celebrated to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by the Nobel Prize-winning Indian physicist C.V. Raman. Science is the tool that has given us the power to change this world. Therefore, we must use it wisely. Warm wishes on National Science Day to everyone.